welcome to Caldera Creations. This is a wreath channel. I am so happy to be here. We got a spectacular spring wreath going on. We are working with ribbons and florals. If you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And with that, much thanks and let's get this rolling. Yes, indeed. Hello. Yes, hello. We are working with this Hello sign, which I purchased at $1.25 store. I ended up painting it and gluing on a burlap part. I got a pipe cleaner, glued it on the back, put some paper, which we are going to attach right here. We also got some 111 wireless ribbon. We also working with 3 pieces of 11-inch burlap ribbon. And with 3 pipe cleaners, we are working with some of these beautiful greenery, different greeneries. And we got this beautiful flower. And we also got some white. We got this cute little bee again. He's going to be in the picture. With that said, let's get this rolling. Okay, everybody. Like I said, I got this beautiful hello picture, which I'm going to attach to this wreath. Yes, how is everybody doing in Tubuland, in the world out there? Let's get that smile going on today. Okay, let's just push all this other, on the side of your wreath, because we are just working with some parts of it, okay? I got these for where I'm putting my ribbon, but let's just kind of squish some of this in. We got our sign going, and let's get this ribbon on. Okay, this is 11-inch tail. 11, oh, this is a 2. Oh, yeah. This is the other side. It's going to be 11-inch. Oh, this is going to be the small tail, yes. This is going to be the 8-inch tail. And we got 11-inch loops. Okay, we're going to go like this. This isn't wired. I wish it was wired, but go like that. And then one right here. And we're going to get them together. Attach these up here like that. We got it. We're going to get this guy up here. Got my, where I put it. And we're going to stick him in there. Attach that in. Get it in there. We got it. There we go. Look at that. Okay, then we're going to go down. We are going to make one 11-inch loop. Another 11-inch loop. And get this done going right there and pinch it in. And wow, look at that. How gorgeous is that? I love the color. I just wish it was wiry, but that show must go on. Here we go. Okay, we got this one going. Another 11-inch. Grab that and pin it on. This is a bright, beautiful color. Springy color. Okay, look at that. Wow. Okay, now we're just going to go down. We're going to bring this down. And we are going to make 2 loops again. 1, 2. There's 1. Number 2. 1. And 2. Got that going right here. Let's get this going here. There we go. Got this going. Pinch it. Got that in there like that. How's that looking, everybody? And we got a little bit. And we'll just leave a little bit for a tail hanging. If you got some extra, just pin it up next to it. Oh, look at that. How gorgeous does that come out, everybody? Gonna move your ribbons around, adjust them. Okay, we're gonna get this greenery now. Let's visualize and just work our beautiful greenery up in here. Let's get this going. If I could get it in there. I'm not using this beautiful wreath wire. Just attach that in there. Look at how simple. Get some more going over here. Just work in there and see where you could get this fitted in. There's another one going and attach it. Like that. Oh my, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, look at that. Now we're going to get some more up here. So I just keep something to poke out. There. This one. This guy right in here. Okay. And we're going to get that right here. How's that one? Oh, my little leaf came off. Uh-oh. I got those at. Where did I get those at? Anyways, look at how is that looking, everybody. Let's get our other one on this side. Let me step back and visualize, see what's going on. What's going on? Okay, let's put this one right here. I love the greenery, how the big leaves going. Look. Okay, let's see. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to get some of these burlap ribbons going. These are 11-inch pieces of burlap, which you're going to get our little pipe cleaner, and we're just going to put it on like that, and voila. How is that, everybody? Bam. Okay, we're going to get this guy. We got 3 of these, so we're going to work 3 of these in our beautiful wreath. Let me get one on here. If I can find a wire, there's one. I see you. Pin in there. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we got that one in there. Look at that one. Then we're going to come down this way. We're going to get another beauty going on in here. Look at this one right here. Put it on the wire. Like I said, if you guys want it permanently put, you can work with your glue gun. Put it on with the glue. We got one more. Let's get this right there and here. And voila. There we go. We're going to get this one. Let me see. Right here. Get this one right in here. Balance your items out. Just twisted. Twisted and hide that in the greenery behind the ribbon. We've got it. There we go. How is that looking, everybody? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's kind of puff these out little. See what we got going now. Wow. Okay, let's get some more greenery going on in here. I think we need some right here. Get some right here. This going on right here. Work with the ribbon. Work with the wreath. And this one, I think we need one more going. Where can we put this, everybody? Let me see. This right here, huh? Let's get this greenery going on right in here. Adjust it with the wiring. Here we go. How's that looking, everybody? Thumbs up if you enjoy my videos, and leave a comment if you like. With that much thanks again. Okay, we got one more of these greeneries. Let me see. Let's get some in here so we can see some beauty going on in there. Oh, wow, this is coming out so great. Okay, we got this beautiful floral, which I am just going to pin in right in here. Oh, my, look at that. How beautiful. We got this other little pansy. It's like pansy. Let's put this little guy right here. Right in here. Wow. Gonna bring out the sunshine in this beautiful wreath. And we got some white florals, and we got some other florals. And I think we got this beauty. Uh-oh. Let's kind of puff these up, and wow. I think we got another one going, everybody. I think we got another one going. Oh, forgot about our bee, which I'll put on when I turn around. Once again, I think we got it, and thanks, everybody. Appreciate you checking out my channel, and to the subscribers, just everybody, so happy to be here with you guys. And once again, oh, look at another beauty. Okay, let's get our... Oh, so let me step back and visualize. Can everybody see? Okay. Now we're going to get our little bee up here. Let's see. I got the bee going. Oh, yeah, I don't think it's going to hang on this one. Oh, that's a thought. I thought that would look cute. It's kind of too heavy, but that would look cute, though, huh? Okay, with that said, once again, thanks for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoy. Just be creative and visualize. And look at that. Would look cute with the what's on there. It's kind of heavy, but hey, let's be creative and have fun making your wreath. Once again, let's get the smile on and have a great spring. Until the next video, thanks for coming. See ya. Oh, look at that. So cute.